Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha.
Matapos ang muling pagkapornada ng labang JERWIN ANCAJAS kontra sana kay Kasuto Ioka noong December dahil sa paghihigpit ng bansang Japan patungkol sa pandemya, ay hinanapan na lang ng ibang makalaban itong pambato natin na si Pretty Boy para na rin di masayang ang ginawang paghahanda at habang nasa Amerika pa sila. Base sa balita, makakaharap ni ANCAJAS bilang pagdipinsa ulit sa IBF Super Featherweight na titulo ang undefeated, ranked number 13 contender ng IBF at 2016 Olympian na si Fernando Martinez na tubong Argentina. May kasalukuyang record itong si Martinez na 13 wins, 0 loss, 8 dito via knockout. Ranked number 14 din daw ito ng boxrec.com sa nasabing division. Nakilala ito nung matalo niya via 11th round TKO itong si Atin Kusi Dumizwini na matatandaang tumalo kay Jonas Sultan via unanimous decision. Wala pang mabigat na nakalaban itong Argentinian fighter mga pre bukod kay Dumizwini. Hilaw pa ang record nito sa pro pero may kabigatan din ang kamao nito. Sa 13 na panalo ay 8 dito via knockout. Pero itong ating pambato na si JERWIN Pretty Boy ANCAJAS ay di rin basta-basta ang experience sa ibabaw ng lona. 33 wins, 1 loss, 2 draws, 22 via knockout. Siyam na beses na dipinsaan ang IBF na titulo at kontra pa sa mga di-kalibreng kalaban. Kaya tila nagsilbing warm-up na lang ito kay ANCAJAS habang naghihintay kay Kasuto Ioka para sa isang unification fight. Sa buong karyera ni JERWIN ANCAJAS, 4 sa mga tinalo niya ay mga undefeated. Pero pag-usapan natin at balikan ang 2 sa 4 na undefeated na tinalo niya na talagang tumatak sa kanyang karyera. Una ay noong September 2016 kontra sa undefeated defending IBF champion Macjo Arroyo. Tinalo niya ito via unanimous decision at nakuha ang titulo. Nagkasalukuyang hawak-hawak pa rin ni JERWIN ANCAJAS hanggang ngayon.
Had been based here in the Philippines for a number of years. Southpaw versus Southpaw matchup. ANCAJAS has a bit of a height advantage, 11 opponents, but he in a pretty active first round. And a right hook and upstairs and one downstairs by ANCAJAS. And another left hand by ANCAJAS. Arroyo still doesn't seem to be 100%, although he's firing back. And another left hand by ANCAJAS. Arroyo is in big trouble here in round 6. But ANCAJAS has made his statements as he lands. But this has been a huge round. He's very cautious now about that left hand. And ANCAJAS is in total control. Counter left hand by ANCAJAS. And a 3-punch combination by ANCAJAS. But Arroyo had made a statement that he's at least not yet ready to go. And Arroyo may have been hurt by a body shot at the end of the 7th. In July of 2015. Oh, it was a nice left hand to the body. And out of the ring! Down goes Arroyo! Down goes Arroyo! And you can see, by the way, that Arroyo is tucking in his elbows. And ANCAJAS is throwing hard shots to the body. Many may have wondered if ANCAJAS would be the guy who would run out of steam first. And down goes Arroyo again! They're ruling it not a knockdown, even though a left hand to the body landed by ANCAJAS. As Arroyo tries to back away, he's hurt again! He's hurt again! Arroyo's in huge trouble! Arroyo is in huge trouble here! Saved by the bell once again! JERWIN ANCAJAS has done it!
Pangalawa ay noong November 2017 kontra naman sa undefeated boxing star ng United Kingdom na si Jamie Conlan. Ito rin ang pangatlong pagdipinsa ni ANCAJAS sa titulo.
The WBO World Bantamweight title ended in 11 seconds.
He needs the performance of his Korean as good as a southpaw.
Had some extraordinary battles, of course, long. Don't get into a toe-to-toe brawl. Nice little chopping right hand there from Conlan. Oh, no. Oh, what's happened here? Well, what's happened? Exactly what happened there?
I don't think it was from a punch, was it? Yeah, something very rare.
Oh, shut up. The moment that bell goes.
Which is really unfortunate for
to keep ANCAJAS at bay, clash of heads.
occasionally you see him just faint with that jab. similar situations.
Oh my goodness. And big body shots now. Conlon not having too much success. Oh, massive body shot again. Conlon, I thought momentarily was going to go down. Now huge body shots coming in again, and this time he does go down.
He's back up.
And down for the second time in the fight. Closing seconds of another huge round for the Filipino. More massive body shots coming in. Is he going to go down again? No, he doesn't. Somehow manages to stay up.
Methodically, he's patient. Yeah, definitely. He's got to stay off the ropes, though. John has Conlon.
Now a big left hook. Here comes the big body attack again. Conlon's in trouble, in big trouble. The referee will want to see punches to come back. Once more the body shots. Having a much better round here. Nice uppercut though from ANCAJAS. And here comes the body shot again. And again. Referee saying that was too low, I think.
Going to come forward. He's got to avoid that jab, hasn't he? ANCAJAS very good with the straight shots as well. Straight jab, long, straight left hand.
Down he goes again. Right hand this time. Conlon thinks it was round the back of the head, but it was more.
4 na beses natumba si Kunlan at natalo via 6th round TKO at nagretiro ito diretso.
A one-sided fight. ANCAJAS just too much. It was a...
And still, IBF Super Flyweight Champion of the World, JERWIN Pretty Boy ANCAJAS.
Sa kanyang susunod na posibleng laban kontra sa undefeated ng Argentina na si Martinez. Ito na ba ang magiging panglimang undefeated na mamarkahan ni Pretty Boy o isang nakakagulantang na upset ang mangyayari?
Still champion JERWIN Pretty Boy ANCAJAS.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.